Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to uninstall games from your Xbox Series S or Xbox Series X. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing we're going to be doing for today's video is of course having your Xbox on, having your controller connected. We're going to be on our dashboard right here. Once you're on your dashboard, what we're going to be doing is clicking one button down and we're going to be looking for the My Games and Apps section right here. We need to select this open. On the first tab here on the left, we will have the Games tab, and here we will see a list of all currently downloaded and installed games on our Xbox. Now for today's video for uninstalling and deleting games, you will be able to delete games that are fully downloaded or that are in progress, so you don't need to let them finish downloading before you uninstall, so you don't have to worry about anything like that. So what I'm going to be doing is selecting FIFA in today's video. I'm going to be clicking the select or the manage game button on our controller. We're then going to get some more information about our game. The first option here is how much space the game takes. We will see how much update there is and how much saved data we have on the game. However, if we click to the left here, we will have two options at the top. See in Microsoft Store or uninstall all. What I'm going to be doing is clicking uninstall all. We will then have one more pop-up to say you're about to uninstall the game. Since we clicked uninstall all, it will also remove all of the add-ons and all the DLC and content. As you can see on screen right now, it also mentions that. What we're going to be doing is clicking to the left again, click uninstall all, and then your game will start to uninstall from your Xbox. After a couple of seconds, we can see on the right here the game is not installed and it's currently taking up 0 megabytes of space on our hard drive because it's not installed. If we click B to get back out of here, we can see our game is no longer installed and it has been removed from our currently installed game list. Anyway guys, it's as easy as that to uninstall games from your Xbox Series X or your Xbox Series S. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.